here. I bought this used, figured why not save $100. Went ahead and sanded the tip down and painted a nice gloss black. So it looks really good. So we're gonna throw that on. But first, I'm gonna let you hear the stock exhaust. We'll start that up and we'll do a before and after. It doesn't sound too bad, but this thing is just ugly looking, so we're gonna get the M4 shorty on there and then do a startup of that. Let you hear that. This is where you're gonna need the 12mm. You're gonna have a 12 up here and then a 12 down here for the clamp, and then the exhaust will slip right off. Should slip just right off like that. Boom. So we're gonna get this thing on right now. Should be a lot lighter, a little bit louder. I'm excited. It's gonna look a lot better. Here's where you're gonna need your spring puller. If you have pliers, that will also work. You're gonna need an Allen key for the clamp, so you can tighten the clamp on the M4. And if you have a heat shield, you're also gonna need another Allen key for that. And that's it. We're just gonna slip this right on. All right, so go ahead and just angle it the way you want. Just taking your Allen key, make sure that's tight on there. Should be good. This is where you're gonna need your spring puller. Also, there's a little rubber piece down here with the stock exhaust. Comes on there. I just pulled it out because the spring is just gonna destroy the rubber, so I just went ahead and took that off. Just pull it like this. If you have pliers, it'll work as well. Boom, just like that. And if you have your heat shield, goes on. Just take your other Allen key, stick it through. Make sure you hook it on. It should just go right on. So I got it installed on the bike. I must say it looks really, really good with that gloss black on there. It really, really pops. Happy I did that. I'm gonna do a startup for you guys. All right, next up, M4 Moto GP. Oh my God.